In this video, I will show you how to update the firmware on an LG Smart TV. Smart TV firmware is released periodically to add new features, tighten up existing codes, fix bugs, or make it more stable or secure. They are not released as often as phone firmware, for example, but on a schedule that only LG knows. Basically, there are three ways for you to update your LG firmware. First is through Netcast. So to do that, press the home button on your remote and select settings in the lower left hand corner. Use the remote to scroll down the menu on the left and click on the question mark icon and then select software update. Make sure that software updates are turned on and then click on check update version. If an update appears available, follow the on-screen prompts to initialize it. The second way for you to do this is using WebOS. As stated, the instructions may vary depending on your TV's OS. So to be able to update through WebOS, press the home button on your remote and click on Settings cog in the upper right hand corner. At the bottom right, you will see all settings, so simply click on that. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to highlight General on the left hand side and then click About this TV on the right. Click Allow Automatic Updates and then click on the Check for Updates option. When an update appears, you can follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. And the last way for you to update firmware is using USB. If that doesn't work but a newer firmware version is available, you can download it onto your computer and load it from a USB drive. So to do that, go to LG support website, enter your TV model into the model number box, select the firmware version you want to download and select download this file. Copy that file onto your USB drive without making any changes, and then insert that USB drive into your TV and let it detect the drive. Navigate to Setup and Support to the remote, select Install from File and point to the TV to the USB drive. Allow the TV to update. And that's basically how you can update firmware of an LG Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.